Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to install Facebook on laptop or PC. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to simply open up any of your browser on your PC or laptop. So after opening up browser, you guys have to simply go to search bar and search for Facebook. So after searching for facebook.com, you guys have to simply go to first website, which is official website of Facebook. So after heading over to first website, you guys have to simply go to the three dots of your browser on the top right corner. So after clicking on those three dots, you guys have to simply go to more tool section, or you guys have to go to save and share section. And you guys have to simply find the option which is create shortcut. As you guys can see in the save and share section, I have create shortcut button, but in your side you guys can also see in more tool section if you are finding trouble in save and share section. So you guys have to simply go to the create shortcut button and click on it. So after clicking on it, you guys have to simply click on create button and your Facebook will be installed on your PC or laptop. So you guys have to simply go to your desktop in order to check. Here you guys can see Facebook has been installed, and you guys have to just simply click on it. Your Facebook will be opened on your browser. So I hope these methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.